Hey, welcome to Man Kitchen Recipes. I am Kevin. I am indoors today. I've got a second cooking area inside my man cave. And anyway, I've mentioned before, I'll probably be doing several products between now and Christmas because, you know, hey, everybody needs ideas of what to get that guy that's cooking outside, that gal that's cooking outside. Yes, the gal, Man Kitchen Recipes. It's not just for men, okay? So Monument Grills reached out to me and they asked me if I wanted to be part of their big campaign. Their campaign is running from November 26th to December 5th. They're going to have lots of stuff on sale. They're going to have flash sales and all this information will be below. Okay, one cool thing they're going to do is if you spend $54.99 on their site, they're going to give you a free smoke box. So anytime you're cooking out on one of their grills and you want that smoky flavor, put a smoke box in there, add your wood, light it up, and you'll get that smoky flavor, okay? All the details for that will also be below. So, and how to get you one of these Monument Grill G22s. And that's right here in this box. So, why portable? Well, I mean, hey, it's NFL season, and not that it's just NFL for tailgating, all sporting event tailgatings, or even if you're just going to the park. You know, taking a portable propane grill with you. You know, sometimes parks have those grills you can throw your charcoals in, but there's nothing that beats the speed and heating up and cooking on a propane grill. It's fast, convenient. I'm telling you, I asked for this portable propane grill just so that we can tailgate, and you know, I'll use it at other places as well. So I'll stop talking about this thing. It's the Monument Grills G22. Let's get this thing unboxed and we'll go over it. Can you see that? Look at that. That is a nice portable grill. I'll bring you in closer, but did you see how easy that is? I mean, there's really no setup to it. So there is some assembly. You got to put the feet on it, okay? And then you got to put the heat shields on it. And you also need to put, you got to put the drip tray in. That's the igniter if you need to use a match. You put a match on that little hook to light these. So you do have to slide this in, and you do need to put the feet on there. All right, there you go. Drop your heat shields down in here. Just like that. Add your grate. And there you go. Okay, so how do you fuel this thing? Okay, this takes your 5 or 6 pound tanks. It comes with the connection on there. Let me just spin this around. You can hook it right here. I didn't show you. You have to take this screw out, and it comes with this hook, and that's what it's for. It's connecting your propane line on there for when you're traveling. You can hook it on there. I got to take all the safety stuff off here. But that hook's on there, and this is actually set up to work on your big tanks. Anyway, there it is, the Monument Grills G22 Portable Propane Grill. Again, it's got that glass see-through. That's so cool. Look how nice that is. And I'm going to go get it dirty. I'm going to cook on it and get it dirty. And of course, if you're curious like I am, you want to know the cooking surface. 15 by 13. So you got a nice, you could probably put, I don't know, shoot, at least 6 or 7, maybe even 8 burgers on there, depending on how big you make them. You could cook all kinds of stuff. I'll be cooking on this. You'll see other cooks on this as time goes on. But for right now, I'm going to take it out back. I'm just going to throw some hot dogs on there, something real quick. I want to make sure that the gas works, everything lights. These are, you know, you just twist them to light them. And yeah, let's go cook something. Got my bottle hooked up. All right, let's see if we can get this lit. Just like that. Lights right up. All right, let's get some hot dogs on here. 4 hot dogs. I have a pack of 8. You know what? Let's just do them all. Okay. I'm going to let those cook up, and we'll check them in a minute. Look at that grill. That's a nice looking grill. That is one thing Monument Grills does do. They make some nice looking grills. And this one is their portable with the glass that you can see through. There's the dogs right there. They just got it started, so we'll let them go. Turn up the heat. There they are right inside. I can see them really well. It's got a little reflection in this camera, but yeah. See-through glass on that hood. Very nice, very nice. Okay, and there you go. In just a matter of minutes, we have got some delicious looking hot dogs. This is how I like them. I like them with some char on them. Definitely. Oh, yeah. Okay. Hot dogs done. This grill is going to be one fantastic addition to my my cooking tools. So I'm going to turn this off. I'm going to end this right now. I'll see you guys at NASCAR. All right, let's do some tailgating and get this thing lit up, heated up. Turn the gas on. Hit the gas. Okay, we're gonna close this and let it heat up. Already about 300. All right, we're gonna get some burgers on here and use this little Monument Grills G22. Yeah, I didn't bring my tripod, so let's see how many burgers, frozen burgers, fit on here. Well, we're gonna get 6. They say you can put 10 on here, but these are really big patties, so we're gonna start with 6, and we'll go from there. There's that glass you can see inside. We have a professional chef flipping our burgers.
Yeah, we picked them up on down the street.
Look at that. All right, we're gonna let these go a little bit more. All right, well, there's the grill. There's the stadium.
You can actually see inside. That's nice. You can see inside.
Here we go. We've had these on a couple of minutes. We're gonna throw some cheese on here. They're doing really good. We got to cook a bunch of them, so we'll get these off and more on there. We're gonna get these done. So we are tailgating at NASCAR in Phoenix, Arizona, with the Monument Grills G22, and total success. This thing is awesome. Look at that in the glass. I mean, what more do you want? You want to go to a sporting event and do some tailgating? This thing is going to work for you. It's awesome. All right. Thanks for joining me at our tailgating party. I'm going to go eat and enjoy this burger and enjoy the rest of the night. We'll see you back in Farmington. Check these clips. We can pack it back up. Okay, well, I'm back from NASCAR. Back in the cold weather. Man, it was like 80 degrees at the races. My driver, William Byron, did not win. Anyway, back with the Monument Grills. This one here is the kit. The kit comes with cover. Highly recommended. It also comes with the 1 pound adapter to go from the big tank to the little, I don't have one, to the little green tanks. And that just, you know, it just screws in right here. And then you put your green tank on the end of that. And you can just use the little bottles if you don't have room to take the big bottle along with you tailgating. We did at the races. Another reason why I wanted the kit is because it comes with a cover. I'm telling you what, if you have to store any of your grills inside or outside, it's great to have a cover. This thing really performed great. We had some great burgers after the race. And one thing I like about this, it has that drip tray. And I'll tell you what, those burgers left a bit of grease. So that'll make it easy to clean this out. It didn't make a mess on the table. And it just slides right back in there. And I'll tell you what, if you're looking for a great tailgating cooking machine, the Monument Grills G22 did an excellent job. It was easy to take with us. And everybody liked it, especially that clear view window. You might have heard one of the comments while we were out at the track. Anyway, check it out. All the information will be below, the links, the description, everything. All right, so check it out down below. If you're interested in tailgating, or if you just need a small propane grill for just 1 or 2 people, I'm telling you what, thing worked great. All right, thanks for watching. I hope you have a great day. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe.